Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. We have here the H3 smartwatch, and on this video we are going to have a demo on one of its smart features, and that is the short video control function. So we have here the short video control feature. With this functionality, we'll have a demo of this feature on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. So we'll check if this function will work with TikTok or YouTube Shorts. So if you are interested to see this functionality or this feature and want to know if it works with TikTok or YouTube Short, watch this video. And again, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore this feature. We are already paired with the support app, Laxas Fit. So there's no settings for the short video control. I guess all we have to do is just open the app and the feature here or the menus here, and let's see. Okay. So we have here the TikTok. Let's open the app. Let's remove the sound first, just to avoid any copyright issues. So we have the short video control. Let's look for it. So we have here short video control. Then select. So we don't have a name here of the video. We don't know if it works or not. So let's see. Okay. Let's go forward. Did it change? I'm not sure. Again. Yes, it works. As you can see here. We can go forward. Go backward. Stop. Next. Let's increase the volume. Yes, it works also. Next. Next. Okay, got it. Stop. Go back. Thumbs up or like. Yes, it works. Next. Adjust the volume. Next. Okay, let's mute the volume here and stop. So it works here for our TikTok account. Okay, seems like the transition or the changing of the video here going to the next video is smooth. Okay, no lag at all. It works perfectly with our H3 smartwatch. Again, next, go back and stop, like, and that's it. So it works with our TikTok account. Next, let's have the YouTube Short. Hopefully it works. All apps. So we have here the YouTube Short. Again, let's open the short video control function. Hopefully it works with YouTube. Next. Again, next. Go back. Yes, it works with the YouTube app. Stop. Next. Adjust the volume. Let's see if it works. Yes. Let's see. Okay, increase the volume. Next. Stop. Next. And next. Thumbs up. Does it work? Yes, it works. Remove the volume here or decrease the volume. Go back. Go forward again. Go forward again. Go forward again. Go forward. Next, stop. Alright, so it works with our YouTube short application. It also works with TikTok. Again, if you have any questions regarding demo for the short video control function, watch or drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.